Here I have created a temperature and humidity mechatronic alarm system. When cultivating specific crops, humidity and temperature play a large role in how well the crop will thrive. If temperature or humidity rises too high or drops too low, the entire crop yield can be destroyed. This system has an LCD equipped to read out the temperature and humidity along with an LED that indicates if the readings are within appropriate bounds. Green indicates good condition, yellow indicates nearing the ends of set boundaries of temperature and humidity, and once light has turned red, conditions are not ideal for plant growth. Once conditions are out of bounds, the red light is accompanied with a buzzer to alert the plant owners. To demonstrate how the alarm system and LED indicators change, I'm going to artificially increase the humidity.